meant his state at all. Little have I conquered there, yet well may I boast withal that I long since learned to bear, to love with loyal heart and all. To her are my thoughts enthralled, and shall be through every test. Never from her I wrest them, remembrance of the face so bright, fresh and manic, vermeil, fair and clear, has set my heart in such a plight that I cannot turn it from her sphere. And if I have sought the ills outright, I must endure them without fear. Yet if I have done wrong in her sight, I must love her still more dear. However I pay for it, what cheer! I have nothing as I see aright, that I may default or crime adhere. Respite would have slain and martyred me, but my heart was waiting for the light of that for which it served her free. If for her I held it in her right, with good heart I thank her mercy. Well, I know that I have right, that never so fair a one did I see. Between my heart and me, we've acted so right, that never in all did we disagree. God, why would she slay me so, and never a lie to her did I tell? May the heart be full of joy and glow, with which I pray her truth to tell. I love and desire her so, and know I think truly by every spell that each one who sees her so must love her also, and as well. What is this God that I say I quell? No, he would not, he could not so. None would love her as I dwell. Did any see, neither in body nor in face. Nature put no more in her decree of beauty in any form or race. For her I shall maintain the plea of Aeneas and Paris's grace, Tristan and Pyramus, whom we know loved in old time and space. And I shall be her friend's true trace. Now I pray God from high degree, that in good time I take my place. If pity does not seize her heart, I know that at the last in truth she will slay me clean apart. This must I well hold in sooth. I have loved her with loyal heart. This must well avail me in ruth. Love and grieving folk, her art had not else such power, forsooth.